What's going on, you guys? Aaron here from the Project Capital. Happy Friday. It's a beautiful day outside today, at least here. And hope everybody's having a great day. And we just got to quickly post this link to our stream throughout our social media, and then we're good to go. Got some news about MedMen. Okay. Let me pull up comments real quick here on my phone. Chuck, good morning. Dylan, what's up? Don't forget to hit that like button also. Shannon, good morning. Perfect. We'll just throw in a little hashtag there. All right, so Twitter, Facebook, good morning, Nevada, and Discord, and Stock Twits. All right. Perfect. What's up, Spartacus? Doug's in the house. Sup, Doug? Good morning, Kobe. All right, straight to... That's not good. Straight to the news. So, guys, MedMen to buy Long Beach cannabis retailer for $13 million. That's the title of this stream. But we need to go to investing.com. And one thing I forgot is definitely the music. This computer was a little bit messed up, but we'll have some music up there for you guys in 2 seconds, as well as FinViz. I want to look at the FinViz heat map. Yeah, I've got my tea today. I actually have a big pot of tea today, so it's going to be good. It's going to be a good day. MedMen's Doug's favorite stock. Perfect. All right, guys, so I like to take a look at the heat map recently. It's just cool because it shows all the different sectors of the market. So the only real sector we're seeing in the red, the financials, JP Morgan and Bank of America dropping. We're seeing Apple up 3%, Amazon up 2.5%. Pretty much every sector is in the green. We've got a couple select sectors like independent sector, ConocoPhillips, of course. But anyways, let's get straight to things. Wall Street rises on rate cut, hopes China tariff delay. So wow, we're getting a 1.44% rally. Massive rally in the markets. What's up, Mark? PAX private, but hearing rumors of APHA buying out PAX. So we do have a bunch of news on that too. We can read that. I know PAX made headlines. Hey, happy Friday, y'all. Vincent International is using agricultural best practices to build a global cannabis business. Nah. PAX Labs enters Canadian cannabis market. So there's an article out about PAX. But it looks like recently the market's just decided to run. Yeah, just in the past. Let's get that 1 day chart up here. Come on. Get some music too. It's awfully quiet. Yeah, we just recently saw the market start to rally, so it's looking like a nice green day. Although, let's see if the cannabis sector can get a rally too. Time to flip to the stocks. Perfect. Sorry, Dylan, the intro doesn't have the stream doesn't have an intro, but The next video will. No, we don't want to rally. We need to buy more ACB first. I know, that's the thing. Song's called American Hustle. All right. Oscan, wow. Oscan being resurrected. Pumps up to 14 cents. What else we got here in the green today? Not for the extent of the rally. It's not really that much of a green day. Free up 4%. Metafarm Labs. High Tide. High Tide having a green day. Alkaline Water having a green day. Not too much in the green though, despite the rally. Body and Mind declining another 10% down to 136. The stock's effectively crashing. Bam. ACB Canadian dollars is a massive buy. Let's see what ACB is trading at on the day actually. It's up 1%, 10 bucks. Yeah, I'm still patient on Aurora. I mean, I'm not buying until it goes below 950. So it'll do what it does. Drink that protein powder. Yes, that's right, Doug. Doug already knows. So pissed TD won't let me do options. I'm going nuts. Okay, so we got to read the headlines. And Wall Street rise on rate cut hopes China tariff delay. U.S. stocks extended gains in a broad-based rally on Friday. Sharp shutdown in May. Domestic job growth raised hopes of an interest rate cut. Labor Department showed non-farm payrolls increased by 75,000 jobs, much smaller than the 185,000. This is the type of read that the doves will really take to. Cutting rates beyond politics or trade issues. Yeah, so weak economic data. It's weird. Weak economic data can help prop up the markets. Are you going to Jurassic Park to watch the game tonight? ACB Kingpin, no. Excuse me, I don't have any plans to as of yet. But I'll probably watch the game. ACB Ponzi scheme is a fraudulent investing scam. You could say that. You could say that about a lot of companies. U.S. gives Chinese imports more time before more tariffs hit. U.S. officials officially granted Chinese exporters 2 more weeks to get their products into the U.S. before increasing tariffs. Very short article. Trump administration had raised its 10% levy on Chinese imports to 25% to pressure Beijing to strike a larger trade deal. Okay, so let's go Toronto. Come on, guys. I need to say Toronto. Got to cheer for our team. They've never won before, so it'd be awesome to see. Although I'm not big into sports, so not gonna lie, I'm a bandwagoner. Ooh, Suniva down to 331. Ride the Mo, right? Doug says 2-2. All right, guys. Well, we'll see what happens. Suniva down another 4%. This thing's been tanking, and I want to buy some more. Yeah, I don't watch basketball. I don't watch barely any sports. I watch golf when my dad's watching golf, and that's about it. I did say Suniva could sell into the low threes, and we're in the 330 right now, so man, this is the best tasting protein shake in the world. 327 for Suniva. Looking like I might add a little bit more to that today. Oh, Oscan. Last call, bet 350 shares of ACB. I got Raptors. Good morning, Scott. Well, OSCAN looks like it's done a little bit of consolidating around 30 cents. One to do a bit more research about. Pump. Why can't we see the charts for pump? We're going to examine a few more interesting moves, namely body and mind. Body and mind is just getting destroyed. Pump does not want to come up. All right, so body and mind down another 10.5%. The stock's effectively tanked. What's up, GFD, DAFDA? Woohoo! Christian D, excuse me, Christian D. Mateson. Which video was that? Because I'd love to read it. If you can remember, I'll just go find it. Or if you got that link, then I'll read it. Or I can Google Suniva data breach. There we go. It's a fairly searched topic. Can you explain how this affects Aurora? What are you talking about? Personal data of 34,000 medical marijuana patients accessed in data breach. I think this is what we are talking about. Suniva. The personal information of about 34,000 medical marijuana patients was accessed in a data breach of an electronic medical record system used by Suniva's Natural Health Services. Didn't involve any financial, credit card, or social insurance number or information since those aren't collected from patients. Personal Injury and Diamond and Diamond, which has announced a proposed class action lawsuit against Suniva, says it did involve diagnostic research, healthcare numbers, and personal contact information. I guess that's all we got. Max is here. What's up? When's Aurora gonna buy MedMen? MedMen buying Long Beach is what I mean. Well, doesn't really affect Aurora. That's just the title of the stream. It's good. Thank God it's Friday. How's the weather? Weather's awesome here. The one and only Doug Whitaker. Aurora is not buying MedMen. So, hopefully this data breach for Suniva can keep dragging the stock down a little bit because I want to buy it when it's cheaper. I think Suniva is going to be fine. I think this is some temporary bad news. Lawsuits are never fun, but it's a $133 million market cap now. So we'll see what happens. But anyways, body and mind. Let's talk about body and mind because no one's been talking about mind. The news was about MedMen. We're almost there. We're like one stock away. So body and mind's down to 136. This stock's been tanking. Look at the last 7 days. It's gone from 230 to 130. Body and mind. For Suniva, there was a data breach of 34,000 patients and a class action lawsuit. But I think it's going to create a buying opportunity for Suniva. I'm watching you on my big screen today. You look high tech as hell. Compound interest. You're probably right. I didn't read the date on that article. But there's definitely something causing Suniva to tank. You know what might be a good idea? Let's just Google Suniva and see if there's any recent news. Downgrades shares of Suniva. That was June the 3rd. Executive management change. Finally cutting losses on Canadian assets, May 13th. I will buy it up 1 to 2K for sure. So are you talking USD though? Kakor downgrades shares of Sneva. Here's what Sneva investors need to know. Recent analyst research report downgraded his rating on shares of Sneva to a hold with a price target that suggests limited upside on the horizon. Oh, come on. You gotta register? Nope. We can talk about Sneva on Messenger. Does any cannabis stock pay dividends? Canadian bro. Because BC represents why I understand the cannabis industry so much. Yes, Dylan, you're right. The ETF does pay a dividend. So HMMJ. That's like the only... Actually, no, there's two. IIPR pays a dividend, but it's not exactly a cannabis company. It's like a real estate investment trust. HMMJ. So if you want dividends, HMMJ does pay a dividend. It's pretty good dividend too. I just don't know how sustainable it is. Like long term. There's that one, and then there's IIPR. IIPR pays dividend. Shoppers selling in Alberta now. That's crazy. Yeah, so IIPR is up to 94.69 a share. That's crazy. 52-week highs. 52-week highs at 96. So much hate for ACB. There was an article with Cam Batley recently on Yahoo Finance. It was a pretty decent article, actually. I'll post it in the Facebook group, or I'll post it on Discord. Any interest in Liberty Health Sciences? All this hate for ACB makes me bullish AF. I feel you. HMUS. So, moving on. We talked about that already. We'll talk about the portfolios. Body and mind, though, yes. I mean, I do think that this thing is going to... I don't know, though, guys. So many consecutive red days. I might just jump in on this for a quick little swing trade. But it's hard to catch a bottom on this thing. Like, it's down another 11%. Let's quickly check. See where we're at for the RSI. The RSI is at 2372. But the RSI is starting to... The RSI hit 17 on the 6th. RSI is starting to come back a bit. One to look at. Data breach article came out just before Sneva hit 540, beginning of April, dragged it down to where it is now. We all know lawsuits take time. I want to become a MedMen millionaire. Why isn't anyone buying FSD? Let's all buy BAM, it's low. I wouldn't touch MedMen's and Neva. Namaste, etc., etc. Honestly, though, jumping in on a little bit of BAM today might not be a bad idea. This thing is cheap. A lot cheaper than it was before. What did they raise money at, though? I think it was $1.50. I just want to double check that. Body and mind. Might have to jump in just a little bit. Body and mind raises at $1.25. We're very close to that. So it makes total sense for the company to go down to $1.25, but at an exercise price of $1.50 per warrant share for a period of 48 months. What would make sense is they take the company down past $1.50 and then exercise all those warrants and then bring the company back up, right? So we're at $1.36 now. I definitely see some potential for a bounce soon. Market cap's down to 104 right now. You could do a incremental buy on Body and Mind. I don't know how low it's going to go though, but I definitely think it needs a bounce sometime soon. It's a sharp sell-off. Be careful, Max. I don't know. FSD is never gonna hit $1. Hopefully it does soon. All right, so the news and this title of the stream. MedMen to buy Long Beach cannabis retailer for $13 million. MedMen announced it has signed a definitive agreement to acquire a 100% stake in Matt and Jeremy LLC Love Beach Club One Love. The acquisition further enhances MedMen's industry-leading California footprint, and Doug Whitaker, seasoned billionaire investor, says this is a great opportunity. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking, Doug. That was made up. But we're excited to welcome Long Beach to the MedMen family and continue our growth in the most important cannabis market in the world. Okay, so MedMen recently received a buy rating from Doug Whitaker, Whitaker Capital Management. So I can see BAM hitting $1 before a good bounce. I don't know. It's tough. I'm tempted to jump on right now and see. Let's zoom in here a little bit closer. I mean, the sell-off looks like it's starting to subside. This was a high volume move. Not as much volume as we saw on the way up, but shoot. Volume's still kind of steadily hanging in there. Let's all buy it and push it up. Bam. AUSA exercises warrants in Body and Mind. Not even 9/11 could help MedMen. RSI 30 now. The RSI for Body and Mind is actually like 24, I believe. And if that's what we're talking about. Yeah, the RSI dipped to 20 for Body and Mind. Damn, this thing's looking oversold, guys. I don't know. I kind of want to jump on this train. I just want to see something real quick. Put all your money in Body and Mind. Yeah, man. Sounds like a fantastic. Who wants to play this game with me? I'm still positive on Tilt Holdings. And I'm already down 10% on Suniva. Oh my. Suniva's down to 325 already. Have a buy at 320. Okay, one sec. BAMM. It's at 136 right now still. 50K off BAM so far. Damn. That's a solid trade. What grocery store is that, Max? Sounds like a great place. Pick up some BYND. BYND. Alright, so it looks like I might start a position in Body and Mind today. I want to try and catch a little bit of that bounce if it happens. Holy 30%. Crazy. That is nuts. What's going on with this company? BYND. Come on, let's see here. Among active stocks, Beyond Meat jumped 23% as its first earnings report since its IPO was better than expected. Zoom was up 20% as well. Zoom's a pretty awesome company too. 20.3 billion already? Oh my god. That's nuts. ACB dead cat bounce. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still not buying into this recent little bounce for ACB. I think we're going to go lower. Hey, Aaron, can you paint your nails black like my soul? Black's my favorite color. It's literally like the only color clothes I'll wear. ACB 770 today. Keep your eyes open on BYND. Tisk tisk. Okay, so one more quick little check, and then I want to check into a few other portfolios. So Body and Mind, biggest decliner on the day. Suniva is also getting killed. Tilt's getting killed. 360 risk down to 27 cents. Kind of want to add this one too. It's pissed me off though, these cannabis stocks that don't bounce when the market's up 1.5%. That's not a good sign. It's showing lots of weakness. Okay, so recently took some positions in IMT. International Montoro Resources up 9% today. This was a new portfolio I put together. But there's one other stock that I had. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is all the ones. Suniva, Tilt, Brookfield Property Partners, Extendicare, Suncor, Blackberry, and CanTrust. I recently made a bet on oil. Just a quick little swing trade bet that oil is going to go back up. And we are getting a little bit of a rally for crude, up 1.5%. So I'm getting back into trading just a little bit. So I believe Baytex Energy could rally. Took a little position in Baytex Energy this week. We'll see if we can get this bad boy up to like 230, and then I'll take some profit for a quick little 15% trade. Anyways, Micron waste, Fortuna in the green. All right, so we are seeing lots of green for some crypto miners. Damn it, First Quantum Minerals. So this is our top 3 stocks for June. We're just checking in on this portfolio and looking pretty good so far. If you guys were tuning in on that video, the be up 1.7% so far. $5,000 in each, you'd be up $200, and First Quantum would be up 7%, Fortuna up 2%, and Baba down 3%. What else we got here? Canopy, Micron Waste will do well. Copper having an alright day. Defensive stocks mildly in the green, and one more portfolio. Broader watch list. Biggest loser, International Cannabis, down to 6.5 cents. Ooh. That is crappy. CRDL. Cardinal Therapeutics. What's this song? Nope. Nope. Oh man. Juju is hurting because of all the Californians hurting, big or small. Give it time. Have faith. Nope, no problem. Kenny, you got any thoughts on 5G company stocks? I have not been investing or trying to invest into that. I do think it's a good opportunity. I just haven't done much into telecom. All right, man. CRDL. This is what I was trying to do. The only telecom I've got is like Bell. MRVL. Cardinal Therapeutics is a Canada-based company engaged in the pharmaceutical business sector, healthcare, biotech, focused on the research and commercial development, pharmaceutical cannabinoid products, heart failure and cancer. If you guys know, I'm not a big into biotech, but they have lots of potential. What the heck? Okay. I'll look at the chart for you, but I'm not big into biotech. Five shares? Des, you have 5 shares of ACB? That's a lot of hate for 5 shares. I'm just joking around. But I mean, I could see if you're down like 20 grand, I'd be pissed. But yeah, man, they owe you that 18 bucks though. Hopefully can get that money back soon, or double down those, buy 5 more, and then hopefully you can make it back. But I wouldn't buy them now. It's too expensive. So anyways, Cardinal Therapeutics, I mean, made a bounce, looks all right. Saw a high of $8, currently trading at 4. It's actually not that volatile for cannabis stock. If it's cannabis stock, we're gonna add this to our watch list though. So let's keep that. Excuse me. Let's keep this on the watch list. Why not? 18 bucks is 18 bucks. I've sold stock for 18 bucks just before it crashed. Add 4 zeros. Yeah, 18 bucks is 18 bucks at the end of the day. That's true. It's not about send you the investor/deck call. Do it. CRDL. Thank you. There we go. It's now currently on our cannabis stock watch list. Ooh, body and mind down 11.84% to 134. Let's go. $3K ACB at 760. I wiped my tears with 18 bucks. 18 bucks, you didn't work. Who is entering body and mind today? When are they going to start buying the bounce? Buying the dip. We're seeing a little bit of life. You go to Blaze's group when you buy 20K shares and start pumping BAM. Oh, man. No, but I mean, shoot. I wonder what happened to all those BAM longs. If they sold or they started to sell or whatever, because the stock's lost a lot of value. I mean, it's not as bad as Namaste yet, but I think we will see a bounce. There's an imminent bounce coming. ACB is not going anywhere. Might as well give your money to the church. Amen. Let's talk about something else. International Montaro Resources. Yeah, I'm super tempted to make a trade on BAM today. Probably will happen. It's 11:36. We don't have that much more news other than the article about PAX. PAX Labs enters Canadian cannabis market, partners with Canadian LP, APHA, Aurora Organogram, and Supreme Cannabis. Do we have any green? Yes. We have been working hard to ensure Canadian consumers will be able to enjoy quality cannabis concentrates in a convenient pod format. That's why we are excited to launch our immense PAX era experience with quality products from 4 powerhouse cannabis companies, APHA, Aurora Organogram, and Supreme. As the market grows, we will continue to bring on more brand partners, offering our consumers a selection of products on the PAX era platform. Tilt needs to get deals with these LPs for vapes. Yes. I've been buying Tilt on the way down, so I'm hoping they can make a comeback. Just gotta support Doug. Support Tilt. It's currently at $1.40. What's it at now? $1.39. Tilt got smoked. But hopefully we can see that bounce coming up soon. Average Tilt's 225. Those PAX products won't be available. Seriously, dude, why do you think they're going to rise? Gotta be patient. I know it's hard to say. I know it's hard to hear that. All edibles won't be ready till December. Okay, so last thing we're looking at is the bounce in the markets. Another 1% rally. It's been like a 4% bounce already. We're almost back up to friggin' 52-week highs. Not 52-week highs, sorry. We're almost back up to record highs for the markets. That was a quick bounce. They bought the dip hard. I was hoping the market was gonna dip a little bit more, but we just didn't get it. I don't know. Now I think we're just gonna run until we get that interest rate drop, and then the S&P 500 is gonna shoot over 3,000, and then who knows what the heck's gonna happen from there. Everyone went back into full bull mode. This market can just not be shut down. Sorry guys, you guys are getting edited in the chat. That's just YouTube. I'm selling soon as it hits 30 cents. What else we got? That's pretty much it. There was one last thing I wanted to look at. That was the precious metal miners and oil. Not much green for the precious metal space. The hell's my oil stocks? Baytex Energy. I can do better than that. All right, guys. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, trades for the day potentially might do that body and mind thing. I'm just wondering if this is going to... That's the one-day chart. So, be nice if this thing could come back to 150 by end of day. Body and mind and Tilt and Suniva. A lot of companies have issues, but yeah. That's pretty much it. Let's see what else. Oh yeah. Last thing. Gold's rallying again today. Almost at 1350 already. I think gold's going to 1500 short term. It just looks like it's showing lots of nice strength. I'd be very happy if that happened. But once again, we're testing 1350. 1350 has been a crazy level of resistance for gold the past couple times, but if we can get into like above 1400 and hold that for a while, I think gold's got a shot at 1500. The miners would go crazy if gold hit 1500. Excuse me. Yeah, man. RNX. Hopefully gold keeps exploding. I could see RNX. I could see RNX going to 80 cents, 75, 80 cents. I don't know about $1.20. I think that was on their initial discovery, and the stock just kind of did its thing. But I think it's safe to say that hopefully RNX is going to hold 50 cents now max, and then move up if gold keeps going. Gold hits 1500. I'm looking great. That's right. Tilt. Damn, Aaron, you just roll out of bed? Or is the stock market really that bad? Just kidding. What's up? Degrassi money. Oh shoot, my hair did get a little messed up. We were too excited. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for the stream today. It's 11:42. I want to go buy some Body and Mind or something. So let's take a look. I think I'm going to buy the bounce today. We can see the cute girl in the back. Let's see it. All right, Aaron, go Warriors. You guys want to see buying Body and Mind live? Go Raptors. Put a sell in at 150. Oh wait, isn't Raptors taking it in 5. Sending money to hell live. You guys are jokes. Yeah, $1.36, I don't know. It's looking all right. You hear about when I throw this. It's too much. Okay, guys. Anyways, I am gonna go, but I'll probably will buy a tidbit of Body and Mind just for that little bit of a swing trade. Oh, it's bouncing 137. Time to buy. All right, guys. I gotta bounce, but remember, Departures Capitals for education, information, entertainment. Don't buy any stocks because I said I would or I said I wouldn't. Do your own research and due diligence, and be careful. So I'm out of here, guys. We'll see you soon in the next video.